The development of international trade and the rising of Brazil to become a major global player have led to an increasingly larger flow of cargoes in the nation's ports. Thanks to the construction of new terminals, as well as the enlargement and revamping of existing areas, a continuous increase of cargo handling is expected for the coming years. In view of the international maritime scenario, the Port of Santos has received vessels with increasingly larger dimensions to operate in a canal that has been basically unaltered in recent years. Therefore, additional safety precautions during the arrival and departure operations are required. Focused on the safety of maneuvers, the São Paulo State Central Pilot Station has invested own resources of approximately 8 million reals in the construction of a modern and strategic operational center. It continuously monitors the movements of vessels from the beginning of the Port of Santos Canal up to the more distant terminals in Cubatão. From this room, two operators supply the pilots on board vessels with information in real time relating to the traffic of vessels and boats, the situation of berthing and unberthing docks, and weather conditions 24 hours a day during the year's 365 days. An extra position is reserved for situations in which a pilot ashore is required for communicating with a pilot on board to assist in a specific maneuver. The new center is the most modern in Brazil and receives information from traffic monitoring systems and sensors distributed throughout the estuary. The equipment measures the direction and intensity of winds and water currents, visibility range, tide height, the period and height of sea waves. In the case of occurrences that transcend the competency of the operator's regular work standards, the center offers two additional support areas. One is for on-site monitoring of actions to be used by managers and executives, with seats for the agents of maritime and port authorities and another for the press. The C3OT, as it is known, is a modern operational center aimed at the safety of maneuvers in the Port of Santos that allows for a permanent monitoring of traffic. C3OT, an operational center that meets the needs of the largest port in the Southern Hemisphere.
Okay, we'll proceed. Thank you very much.
The São Paulo State Pilot Station. Safety, punctuality, and technology serving trade in Brazil.